Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the masculine and feminine form of colors in Arabic. In Arabic, colors are divided into two categories on the basis of masculine and feminine form. In the first category, masculine colors start with Hamza and its feminine form ends at Alif and Hamza. Today we are going to learn this category. For example, the first color is abayad, abayad, and its feminine form is baydo, baydo, abayad, baydo. These words are used for white color. The next color is aswad, aswad. Its feminine form is sauda, sauda. These words are used for black color. Aswad, sauda. The next color is akhdar, akhdar. Its feminine form is khadra, khadra. These words are used for green colors. Akhdar, khadra. The next color is asfar, asfar, and its feminine form is safra, safra. These words are used for yellow color. Asfar, safra. The next color is azraq, azraq, and its feminine form is zarqa, zarqa. These words are used for blue color. Azraq, zarqa. The last color is ahmar, ahmar. Its feminine form is hamra, hamra, hamra. These words are used for red color. Ahmar, hamra. The first category of colors ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.